Say hello to camera, ladies. Good luck, my friend. Security, I'll be on you because there is a camera there. There's cameras all over with CCTV'd up.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like a ceiling can hold.
What's that? That is a rope. I'm just going for Spider-Man. That looks like a painter's bike. Just there. Next to Rex. And that there is Mr. Painter. Look. No scaffolding, no cranes. Just this bit of rope. He sits on a seat. You watched my previous video, he was near pool the other week when I was making friends with Olga and Svetlana. But yeah, look. Oh, look. Where is he now? Where's he gone now? Spider pig, spider pig. Madness. Like I said, every day is different. Another balcony view. Sawadee Krap. So we do it, look. What do you do with that, eh? For less than a tenner a day. Absolutely amazing culture. So here we are, look. We're getting there, eh? The old draining of the pool. As you can see, level there. So they've had to use putty to stop water, to seal it. So yeah, there you go, look. Watch this space. Maintenance to the old pirate ship will commence shortly. I do believe they're gonna sort these steps out as well because yeah, a lot of kids and adults I think have been getting cut feet even from tiles there, look. But you know, it's something that you can't do something like this. You can't maintain something like this every few months because people will complain about coming here to go on pirate ship, you know, and on the old slides. So yeah, you know, they're doing the best. Great place to be. And again, steps, they'll get fixed. So, like I said, it's all happening here. Dinner time. So yeah, look, I've got to buy some new pumps to drain it because it was taking quite a while. 5 days, but this past day, the past 24 hours, they've smashed it. Took a while, but they're getting there. And then we have look at that. Who's that little mermaid there? Look, she's here. Ah, Nui. Sawadee Krap. Where have you put it? What colour is it? I'll have a look for it. So Nui's misplaced a towel somewhere. I'll go and have a look. Never a dull moment. So yeah, Nui She has put a towel somewhere, and she has her keys for her condo, and she can't remember where she's put it. This is a thing now, bless her. She's suffering big time now. Yeah, suffering big time. So I'll go and have a look for a towel. Come on, towel. Where are you? She puts it here. But anyway, plot thickens. So yes, bit dull today, as you can see. Oh yeah, still no towel. So one will keep looking. So yeah, I've just spoke with Nui. Said to her, well, like I said, it ain't good because she's getting more forgetful now. Should be in a home really. If it was in UK or any other Western country, she would be in hospital and having 24-hour care. But out here, things are a little bit different. So the towel, who knows? So we are. Yeah, look, my mate over there, Jimmy, sunning it. This lady here, from Russia. I've seen her with her glasses off. She's about 60. But yeah, you would, wouldn't you? All is quiet still. More balcony stuff. The cooking one. Just observation, this guy, he's been in previous videos. Look, he's got ATM on his t-shirt. And then something inside. Oh man, I'm not sure what he's doing. Looks like he's siphoning. What's he doing? He's siphoning petrol, man. Eh? Siphoning petrol out of one bike into other. Dodgy fofa, man. Hey, I've got you on video, mate. Yeah, definitely. Siphoning juice. Times must be hard. Must be paying too much for the old Thai lady stealing juice from one motorbike to another. Come on, hey. Yeah, look. Out to one bike. Siphoning juice, man. What's going on, man? ATM. Yeah. I have two bikes. In fact, I've seen him on that blue one as well. There, just to the right, with big red reflector on back box. So 1, 2, 3. 3 bikes. Dodgy ass, man. Dodgy. Looks like diesel as well. It's red. Comments, please. Fuel for motorbikes is yellow. White diesel. Yellow diesel. Not red. For them that can read Thai. Meanwhile, we've got Cheap David Ant flying over, look. Twinned up. Like I said, always something happening here. Meanwhile, let's have a look. Oh, I've already done 4 bits, so look, crispy chicken. She's here, look. The old PA, personal assistant. Or PR, personal rinser, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, sounded some dodgy carryings on, or he's waiting for pension to come in. We'll call him Dodgy Dave. Dodgy Dave that needs a diet, a bit like me. So there you go, look. Been for a gypsy's kiss. And there in the middle of the screen, where old matey boy was. Obviously he's not familiar with, he's not a Navy SEAL or out like that, or been on a NEBOSH course, because spillage. Health and safety. He's got diesel all over. Diesel. Well, it's meant to be petrol, but comments, please. Petrol out here, I've only seen yellow. I ain't seen red petrol. It's diesel, man. Or something dodgy. Might be dragon fruit juice. Who knows? Fucking crazy. Well, so he's headed off somewhere. Who knows? Which time misses. So yeah, watch this space. The saga continues about Dodgy Dave, the ATM machine. So, more siphoning. It's, yeah, thinking about it, it's not diesel, it could be 2-stroke. But I'm not sure you put 2-stroke in a click. Comments please for all those motorbike enthusiasts out there.
This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like a